Let us see one more example on long division method. Using long division method, determine the inverse jet transform. Here two questions are given, but the region of convergences are different. So let us see the first one. What is the given question? X of z is equal to z by 2z square minus 3z plus 1. The region of convergence, you see that it is given inside the circle of radius 1 by 2. Whenever the ROC is inside the circle, what is x of n? X of n is anti-causal. X of n is anti-causal or left-sided sequence. First you have to remember anti-causal or left-sided sequence. So it consists of left-sided sequence, as you know that left-sided sequence, it consists of positive powers of z. Positive powers of z. So for this, first divide the numerator. To convert it to standard format, first divide the numerator and denominator with z square. So the numerator will become z power minus 1. The denominator will become 2 minus 3z inverse plus z power minus 2. So to get anti-causal or left side sequence, first write highest negative power first, z power minus 2 minus 3z power minus 1 plus 2, and there is only one term in the numerator, just keep it as it is. So to get z power minus 2, so z power minus 1 first multiply with z. So z power minus 2 into z will become z power minus 1. So minus 3 plus 2z. Just to cancel out these two terms. So it will become 3 minus 2z. So to get 3, multiply with 3 z square. So 3 z power minus 2 into 3 z square will become 3 minus 9 z plus 6 z square. So you can cancel out 3 and 3. You will get 9 minus 2 will become 7z minus 6 z square. So to get 7z, so you have to multiply with 7z cube. So 7z cube into z square will become, z power minus 2 will become 7z minus, you can see that 21z square plus 14z cube. So let us cancel out these two. So it will become 21 minus 16, 15 z square minus 14 z cube. So just multiply with 15 z power 4, you get 15 z square. So leave this summation, leave this division after 4 or 5 terms. So therefore we can write the x of z as z plus 3z square plus 7z cube plus 15z power 4 plus so on. So therefore we can write it, because by taking inverse z transform, you see that it consisting of positive powers of z. So therefore there is no constant here. First write 0, 1, 3, 7, 15 and so on. So it is left sided sequence. Place arrow here, n is equal to 0. So this is the answer for this first problem. Question A. Let us see the question B. What is question B is given? The same question, x of z is equal to, what is given? Z by 2z square minus 3z plus 1, but the region of convergence is given as mod z greater than 1. So that is outside the circle. So outside the circle, then what is x of n? X of n is a causal or right-sided sequence. Causal or right-sided sequence. So what it consists of? It consists of, the causal sequence or right-sided sequence consists of negative powers of z. So therefore first convert it into standard format. So first divide numerator and denominator by z square. It will become z power minus 1. So 2 minus 3 z inverse plus z power minus 2. So to get causal or right-sided sequence, so always start with the constant. So therefore 2 minus 3z power minus 1 plus z power minus 2. The numerator is only one term, keep as it is. So therefore, to get z power minus 1, multiply with 1 by 2 z inverse. 1 by 2 z inverse. You can see that 2 gets cancels out. Z power minus 1 will come. So first term is z power minus 1 plus second term is minus 3 by 2 z power minus 2 plus 1 by 2 into z power minus 3. So therefore cancel out the first term. The second term will be 3 by 2 z inverse minus 1 by 2 into z power minus 3. To get 3 by 2 z inverse, just multiply with 3 by 4 z power minus 2. So you can see that it will become 3 by 2 z inverse. So therefore 3 by 2 z inverse. So 3 by 4 into 3, it will become minus 9 by 4 z power minus 3 plus 3 by 4 z power minus 4. So cancel out these two terms. So 9 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So you get it as 7 by 4 z power minus 3. 7 by 4 z power minus 3 minus 3 by 4 z power minus 4. To get 7 by 4 z power minus 3, just multiply with 7 by 8 z power minus 3. You get it as 7 by 4 z power minus 3 minus 21 by 8 z power minus 4 plus 7 by 8 z power minus 5. So you have to do carefully the divisions. Okay, 21 by 8 minus 3 by 4. So it will become 15 by 8 z power minus 4 minus 7 by 8 z power minus 5. So to get 15 by 8, multiply with 15 by 16 z power minus 4 plus so on. So leave the summation after 4 or 5 terms. So therefore write x of z as 1 by 2 z inverse plus 3 by 4 z power minus 2 plus 7 by 8 z power minus 3 plus 15 by 16 z power minus 4 plus so on. So therefore by taking inverse z transform, you get, because there is no constant here 0, because all the negative powers are there. So therefore first write 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 7 by 8, 15 by 16, so on. So keep arrow here and place n is equal to 0. You can see that it is a causal sequence or right sided sequence. So in this way you have an answer this question, long division method, which is very important in the examination. Thank you.